Hey guys, Scott here. So, we're in New Jersey working with Atlantis Water Garden. Materials being unloaded, 3-inch pipe, centipede, snorkel, rock, liners coming off right now. We're getting prepared. 14 by 20 pond is going back over in here. Waterfall, pathways, bluestone, everything's being done. All right, we're prepped. Everything's set up there. Put the drone up to take a shot for starting, and we're gonna start digging out the area in here and start building this pond. There comes the drone. I'm here working with Jack and his crew from Atlantis Water Garden, as well as Jay Dukes from Rivercrest. So, need anything, reach out to any of them if they're in your areas, or if you're on Long Island, give us a call. We'd love to help you. First scoopful. Jack's working on scraping out all the grass. Put that aside, get rid of the organic material. Alright, so the biofalls has been set back there. The plumbing line, we had Jack dug it out. Plumbing line, which is 3-inch line, is wrapping around here, and it's daylighted there for the moment till it gets hooked into the wetland, which is going to be over here. Right now he's digging out that first shelf for this, and alright, so currently we are carving out the first shelf. Bully is bringing the grade down, and Scott tripod, so when he gets to the correct height, we've got our first shelf that will be set so he can continue cutting around. But right now he's finding that height and getting our height to proper depth for our first shelf for this large pond. Okay, so it is about 10:30. We've got the upper shelf carved out, big chunk of the bottom shelf carved out. Boulevard and Jay are working on that back half. Anth is working on flattening out the other shelf over there. I just got this bottom one checked, and we're moving around. Gonna have this hopefully. Possibly by lunchtime we'll have this thing all carved out. Alright, getting ready to set the first rock. I'm inside the hole. If you take a look here, liner's in, everything's ready. And first rock is getting ready to go in. Second rock going in, missed the first one, fitting it, sitting right there. Number 2 coming along. Hey guys, so end of day one. Here's where we are. Bomb is rocked in. Got a bunch of lights set. Got 2 fish caves done. Whole lots of stuff got being done here. Tomorrow we will get the rest of this finished up. Inside here we got a intake going in, wetland going in, and stream. Alright, so it's first thing Tuesday morning. Just going to work on assembling some aqua blocks for our intake bay and wetland. More stone is just getting delivered out front. Supplies are here. And going to get started with getting this stuff assembled so we have it when we need it is key. I've got liner seams. Now we're working on putting in the vault. Aqua blocks are going next, and then we're going to get this intake bay done. We're working on rocking in the rest of that. Jay's working on setting the concrete over there. So things are moving along. Guys, so it's the end of day 2. A lot of progress was made. We are just wrapping up and heading home. It's supposed to be some rain tomorrow, but we'll be here getting this thing going, and let's see what it looks like. Pond has the lower shelf, good majority of the upper shelf, some waterfall stones, spillway stones. They got some stacked stone work down below for the fish cave. Another spot down below here. This whole side got buttoned up pretty well. So while that was all going on, Jay and I built a concrete slab over here that the guys have now just covered over for a pavilion that's going to go in as part of this waterfall that starts up there, comes down, flows into here, pathway across, walkway, stepping stones to this pavilion space. So that's kind of what's going on. And what we've done in 2 days with only 5 guys.